I'm Jane Hodson. I'm the EAE and AB Suite MCP Runtime Technical Lead at Unisys. In this video, I'll be demonstrating how to secure your persistent data in AB Suite 7.0 for MCP Runtime. AB Suite 7.0 uses DMSII field-level encryption for encrypting data in an MCP runtime database. In this video, I'll discuss what MCP release level you will need to be able to use DMSII field-level encryption. I'll show you how to secure a persistent attribute, and I'll show you how to set up your configuration with an encryption algorithm. Field-level encryption has only been available from MCP 18. AB Suite 7.0 supports DMSII field-level encryption, so you can encrypt persistent data in your application database. However, there is a set of minimum requirements and prerequisites that you need to meet. You will need to install MCP 18. You will also need the IC from DMSII 59.1a.3. You will need to install the DataEncryption product and Security Center. AB Suite 7.0 MCP Runtime uses two model properties to apply security to persistent attributes. The first model property is the Secure Technique class property. Secure Technique is used to specify how the data will be secured. Data encryption indicates that the data should be encrypted. Data masking will obfuscate the data. Select Data Encryption in the Secure Technique property to encrypt your persistent data. The second property is the isSecure attribute property. Set this to true to secure data for the persistent attribute. I'm going to show you how to secure a persistent attribute with data encryption. I will use the cache iSpec in the sample model. The first thing to do is to specify which secure technique to use. Click on Secure Technique, click on the down arrow and select Data Encryption. Now we're going to secure an attribute. I've selected Customer. Click on the isSecure property for Customer, click on the down arrow and select True. And that is how we secure a persistent attribute with encryption. DMSII needs to know which algorithm should be used to encrypt the data. Use the Data Encryption type segment configuration property to specify which algorithm will be used with your database. You can choose from AESGM or AESH-MAC. You must select an algorithm to activate encryption in your database. I'm going to show you how to configure the build with an encryption algorithm. In the configuration properties of your segment, click on the Data Encryption type property. Click on the down arrow and select an algorithm. Now the build configuration is configured for data encryption. AB Suite 7.0 allows you to use DMSII field-level encryption for encrypting data in an MCP runtime database. You can secure a persistent attribute and set up your configuration with the encryption algorithm of your choice. Thank you for taking the time to view this video.